Hi, today I'm doing a detailed review of Credit One secured card. Chances are that you're exploring ways to build or rebuild your credit and wondering if the Credit One secured card is the right choice for you. I'll take a deep dive into this card, covering its features, its pricing, and how it stacks up in 2024. And we'll also discuss its pros and cons to give you the full picture so you know if this is worth it in 2024. The Credit One secured card is specifically designed for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credits. It's not just a typical secured card, it comes with a few bells and whistles that make it stand out in this category. Secured cards, as you may know, require a refundable security deposit to open. Think of this deposit as your safety net. It acts as a collateral for the credit card issuer and also determines your credit limits. For instance, if you deposit $200, that's likely to be your credit limit. But what really makes the Credit One secured card intriguing is its rewards program, interest in earning security deposit, and no annual fee. That's a rare combo for secured cards. Let's explore the details. Now let us break down the main features of this card and discuss it. Build or rebuild your credits. One of the most important aspects of any secured card is how it helps with credit building. This card reports your activity to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That's a critical factor because positive reporting from a trusted issuer can help you establish a strong credit history over time. Cashback rewards. Earning rewards on a secured card? Yes, that's possible. With the Credit One secured card, you get 1% cashback on eligible purchases. These include gas, groceries, and monthly services like mobile phone, internet, cable, and satellite TV. If you already spend in these categories, why not get some value back? Interest on your security deposit. This is where the card stands out. The security deposit you provide to open the card earns interest. So while you're using the card responsibly to build your credit, your deposit is quietly growing in value. No annual fee. Let's face it, credit building cards often come with fees, even for secured options. But with the Credit One secured card, there is no annual fee to worry about, making it a cost-effective option. High variable APR. On the downside, this card has a 29.24% APR. This is standard for secured cards, but it does mean you'll want to avoid carrying a balance to steer clear of hefty interest charges. Always aim to pay off your balance in full each month. Now let us talk about the pricing of this card. Security deposit. The amount of your deposit will determine your credit limit. This deposit is refundable when you close the account, provided your balance is paid off. Annual fee. Here's some great news. There is no annual fee. Most secured cards in the market charge you just for having the card, so Credit One is ahead of the game here. APR. The APR for this card is 29.24%, which is high. But remember, secured cards are not meant for carrying a balance. They're a stepping stone to better credit, so treat this card as a tool for financial growth rather than a source of debt. Overall, the pricing structure makes it accessible and straightforward, as long as you avoid interest charges by paying in full. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, we talk about the pros. Reports to all three credit bureaus, helping you establish a positive credit history. Earn 1% cashback on essential spending categories like gas, groceries, and monthly services. No annual fee. A rare perk in the secured card world. Your security deposit earns interest, adding more value to your deposit. Easy online account management, making it simple to track your spending and payments. How about the cons? High APR of 29.24%, which could add up quickly if you carry a balance. The rewards program is limited to specific categories. Requires a security deposit, which might be a hurdle for those with tight finances. No extra perks like travel insurance or extended warranties, which some unsecured cards might offer. It's a balanced mix though, but whether this card works for you will depend on your specific financial needs and discipline in managing credits. Now here's the big question. Is the Credit One secured card worth it in 2024? I'd say yes, but with a few conditions. If your primary goal is to build or rebuild credits, and you're committed to paying your balance in full each month, this card is an excellent choice. It's especially appealing for its rewards program and no annual fee, which are uncommon for secured cards. However, if you're someone who tends to carry a balance or prefers broader reward categories, this card might not be the best fit due to a high APR. The bottom line is, it's a strong option for those focused on financial discipline and credit improvement. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Discover It Secured Card, Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card, and Chime Credit Builder Visa Card. And that's a wrap. I hope this review has helped you get a clearer picture of whether these cards suit your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.